Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to continue to do some examples related to angle properties of a circle for you. Example 9. Let's look at the question first. You are given a pair of parallel lines and some angles, and you need to find angle point C dot. Looking at the figure, you should see that there are 5 points, which is at least 4 points on the circle. So you may think of angle in the same segment, opposite angle cyclic quad. Also, note that there are intersection of the diagonals. So you may definitely think about the angles in the same segment. And also, there are some parts or some angle lying outside the circle. Then you may think of exterior angle of triangle, but then you should notice that in this case you cannot find any of the triangle which together with this angle point C dot would make the result that lies inside the circle. So in doing so, we can use exterior angle cyclic quad, because the 55 degrees is an angle in this cyclic quadrilateral point dot EF. So I may think of this as being 55 degrees. And also, by angle in the same segment from the 2 points, point and E, this angle is joined from the point and E to the point F at the circumference. So from the same point and E, you know that is also 55 degrees. Now make use of the parallel lines. You can move this angle up to here. This is 55 degrees as well. And at last, you can use the angle sum of triangle to find the angle point C dot. Okay, so let's work it out. First of all, you should have angle point dot C is equal to angle point FE, which is exterior angle cyclic quad. So angle point dot C is 55 degrees. And next, angle point AE is also equal to angle point FE. Or you may say angle point AE is the same as angle point dot C, because this is the same exterior angle of a cyclic quad as well. Okay, so it's up to you. You can say it's an angle in the same segment, or it's the exterior angle cyclic quad. Okay, here's angles in the same segment. Okay, and then make use of the parallel lines. It's 55. Okay, make use of the parallel lines. We have angle C point dot equals angle point AE is the corresponding angles AE parallel point dot. So angle C point dot is 55 degrees. And at last, in triangle point C dot, you have angle C point dot plus angle point dot C plus angle point C dot equals 180 degrees. Angle sum of triangle. And thus you have angle point C dot is 180 minus 55 and 55, that is 70 degrees. Okay, so this is example 9. Okay, then look at example 10. Example 10 is a question like this, and there are two circles. One circle passes through the center of another circle. And we have 2 points AC that are common points among the two circles, and we have AC A boy C being 70 degrees. And be very careful with the property that one of the circle passes through the center of another circle. Then you may automatically think of joining AO and CO, because you can have two things to consider. One, we have angle at center, twice angle at circumference for the smaller circle. And also, we have AOC dot, 4 points on the larger circle. And AOC dot is actually cyclic quadrilaterals. You can have opposite angles being 180 degrees. Okay? So you can complete this question by considering these two things. Okay? So let me make a white paper first. Okay, let's work it out. For the line AO and CO, you can say that in the question or in your solution that you join AO and CO, and then you have angle AOC equals 2 times angle A boy C, angle at center twice angle at circumference. So angle AOC is 140 degrees. And next we have angle AOC plus angle C dot E equals 180 degrees. Opposite angles cyclic quad. And thus angle CDE is 40 degrees. Okay? So it's a little bit easy for this question. So I hope you have less problems and more ideas in dealing with questions that is about angle properties of a circle. And in the next video, we will focus on a question of particular type. We are talking about similar triangles. Okay, stay tuned and thanks for watching.